like just part of the way like the world just like being human works is like we're supposed to learn from each other. Or it's like, yeah,
Mhm.
in the moment, it doesn't need to be like, hey, I need to completely agree with everything you say and
Right.
vice versa. It's like, hey, so and so said something interesting where I didn't think, like, I don't agree with them on it, but it got me starting to think about it. And then you walk away from that conversation being a little bit more like, hey, you now are a little bit more reinforced in your opinions, or maybe go, no, they had a point there on this thing.
Right.
Like, and you shift your opinion. Like, we're not supposed to, if we were the same person like now as we are in 20 years, like that's a huge problem. Like imagine
Right.
just being your having like all the same thoughts and opinions of your 15-year-old self. Like that doesn't mean when you're 15 you were a liar or you're a bad person or any of these things. Like,
Right.
but like you see these arguments in social media where it's like so and so said this 10 years ago and they're a bad person
Mhm.
because I'm like, but who are they now? How do they feel now? Like where were they then?
Exactly.
And all of
Exactly.
it.